So hello students. So in the previous in the previous video, I have tried to give you the basic concept of the binomial theorem. Now today I am going to show you the kind of question that is been asked in the JEE Mains examination. Okay, so we have the first question that was asked in 2019, April 2019. So what the question is saying is, students, if the fourth term in the binomial expansion is this, then we need to find the value of what? X. So how we are going to solve this question, just have a look. So what is the value of fourth term given? It is T4 is equals to 20 into 8 to the power 7. Okay, so as we know that, what is the formula for general term? TR plus 1 is equals to NCR into x to the power n minus r into a to the power r, for the formula x plus a to the power n. Okay, now if I am applying this concept, what I will get is 6c3 into 2 by x to the power 3 into x to the power log 8x to the power 3. Beta, what I did, I have tried to use this concept. Okay, as you can see, what is the value of n we have? N is equals to 6. If I am trying to tell you what is x here, x is 2 by x. If I am trying to ask you what is a here, a is x to the power log 8 base by x. Okay beta, so what is the value I am going to get here is equals to 20 into what? 8 to the power what? 7. Okay, so if I am solving this, what I will get? Look, 63. So what is the value of 63 is going to be 6 factorial upon 3 factorial into what? 3 factorial. Okay, so what is the value I will get? 6 into 5 into 4 upon 6. It get cut down. And what is the value I will get, beta? Tell me. I will get 20. So 20 into what? 8 into 1 by x cube into x to the power log 8x to the power 3 is equals to, let me read it for you, 20 into 8 to the power what? 7. Okay, so this can further be written as 160 into x log 8x by x to the power 3 is equals to 20 into 8 to the power 7. Okay, so you can easily see what is the value I am going to get is, look, I can write x to the power log 8x by x to the power 3 is equals to 20 into 8 to the power 7 by 160. 28, this get cancelled out, so I will get 8 to the power 6. So if I am removing 3 from here, what I will get? X log 8x by x is equals to 8. So what is the value I will get? X to the power log 8x by x is equals to how much? 64. Now what I am doing is, I am taking log on both sides with base a. What I am doing is, I am taking log on both sides with base a. So beta, what I will get? Log 8 x to the power log 8x by x is equals to log 8 square. So what I will get is log 8x square minus log 8x is equals to 2. Okay beta, so basically what I have used, which formula I have used? Log a by b is equals to what beta? Log a minus log b. Okay, so if I am going to solve this, how I am going to solve this beta? Look, so I can write a square minus a minus 2 is equals to 0, where a is equals to how much? Log 8x. So I will get a square minus 2a plus a minus 2 is equals to 0. So I will get a common a minus 2 plus 1 common a minus 2 is equals to 0. So I will get a is equals to 2 and a is equals to minus 1. Okay, so if I am considering a is equals to 2, so log 8x is equals to 2, so x is equals to 8 square, that is what? 64. If I am considering this value, I will get log 8x is equals to minus 1, x is equals to 8 to the power minus 1, that is 1 by 8. So we can choose our answer. Our answer will be either 64 or 1 by 8. So 64 is there. Yeah, 64 is there. So our answer is going to be what? B. So look how easy is the question. The question is very easy. What you need to do? You need to put your little bit focus and you can easily solve the question. Okay, the same kind of question once asked was, just have a look of this question. Let me solve one more question for you. Okay, now you will tell me, sir, what kind of question is this? This looks so big. No, beta. Again, the same kind of questions, but little bit complication level has been increased. Okay, in this case, this x, this is our a. Okay, this is our n. Okay, beta. So f is equals to 200. Again, the fourth term is given 200, beta. So what I will write, t4 is equals to what? 200. So if we are going with the formula, what I will get, 63 bracket under root what? X to the power, just try to recall the data, 1 by x to the power 1 plus log 10 base by x, okay, into x to the power 1 by 12 to the power 3 is equals to what, beta? 200. So 3 4's 12. Okay, I think there is no problem, I guess. Okay, if you have problem, then you can directly tell me. Okay, beta. Now what can I write? Look, so what is the value of 63? 63, as I have solved in the previous question, we have got 20 into, I can write, what I can write? 1 by x to the power 1 plus log 10 base by x is equals to, 3 to the power 3 by 2 into x to the power what, beta? 1 by 4 is equals to 200. Now many students are confused here, sir, how you have written 3 by 2? What is the logic behind it? So look, beta, suppose I have written root x to the power 3. So can I write like this, x to the power 1 by 2 to the power 3, that is x to the power what? 3 by 2. So we have used this concept to write the formula. I hope it is clear for you. Okay, now moving ahead, what can I write? Moving ahead, what can I write? So beta, I can write, look, 20, 10. I guess it is clear for you people. Fine. So I can write what, beta? X to the power. Look, the base is same, so the power is going to be added. So 1 by 4 plus 3 by 2 bracket 1 plus log 10x. Okay, it is going to be equals to what? 10. Okay, now power get added and this power get multiplied. The basic concept of exponent, Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take log but with the base 10. Now one more question strikes the mind of the student, sir, how you are thinking with base 8? Sometimes you are saying base 10, sometimes you are saying base 8. What is the logic behind this, sir? So beta, the logic is given in the question itself. Look, beta, it is given log 10 base by x. So if I want to make this and this equal, so what I need to do, I need to take the log, but the base should be what? 10. That's why, beta, I have taken log, but the base 10. So what I'm going to get is, just have a look, what I'm going to get is log 10 base x. Look, this is the power. So the power is going to be what, beta? Multiply, because as we know, log a to the power b is what? B log a. So applying this concept, what can I write? Just have a look, what can I write? So I can write like this, 1 by 4 plus 3 by 2, 1 plus log 10 base x into log 10 base x is equals to log 10 base 10. Okay, now, okay, this is the question. I need to put it little bit down, because this question I'm going to solve it for you little bit earlier. They are very good questions. I just want to show you people that how easy the questions of binomials are. Only you need to put little bit of focus of yourself. Okay, now I'm taking log 10 base x as a, beta. So what the question is going to be? 1 by 4 plus 3 by 2, 1 plus a into a is equals to what? 1. So what you are observing here, this is going to be a quadratic, I guess. So let me do it for you. The LCM is going to be what? 4, 1 plus a. Okay, fine, huh? So It is 1 plus a here plus 6. Here we are going to have a equals to 1. So if I am solving it, a plus a square plus 6a is equals to 4 plus 4a. Okay, so let me do it for you. A square, okay, 7a minus 4 is 3a, okay, minus 4 is equals to 0. So if I am doing the middle term splitting, a square plus 4a minus a minus 3 is equals to 0. Better look, the same logic as I've told you now. The binomial question which is asked in the examinations are very easy. A little focus and 4 marks is for you, better. Now if I am going for the middle term splitting, I will get a plus 4 and what? A minus 1 is equals to 0. So I will get a is equals to minus 4 and a is equals to 1. So if I am substituting the value, log 10x is equals to minus 4 or log 10 base x is equals to what, beta? 1. So x is equals to 10 to the power minus 4 or x is equals to 10 to the power 1. So you can match the answer. Which answer is correct? So 10 to the power minus 4 is not given now. In the option 10 to the power minus 4 is not given. So we are left with 10 to the power 1. So again the option is 1. So look how easy the question is. Have you got my point? So all what I want to tell you is the question is going to be easy. Just put your little bit focus and the question is going to be solved for you. Okay, let me go with the next question. What the next question is saying, just have a look. Look, we are going with question number 19. This question was asked 9th April 2019. Okay, the question is the coefficient of x to the power minus 5 in the binomial expansion of this. Now many of you will tell, sir, look at the side of the question. Look at the side of the question. It looks so horrible. No, beta, always remember one thing. The question which is asked in the JEE mains exam or JEE advanced exam are not lengthy. They are quite tricky. Okay, they are tricky. You need to put your concept, what you have studied. Try to think in a very different way and I'm sure you are going to crack the question. Okay, so let me tell you the solution for you. Okay, so just have a look. Look, so this is x plus 1. So better try to imagine the situation. What is the formula for a cube plus b cube? The formula is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Okay, now better just have a look. A square minus ab plus b square. Sir, how you are telling this? So better can I write this like I have tried to change the form. Which form? A cube plus b cube. Okay, the denominator will be same. There will be no problem in the denominator. Minus. Can I write like this? What, sir? So I write x to the power 1 by 2 square minus 1 to the power 1 by 2 square divided by the denominator will be same. So x. Okay, we can take x to the power 1 by 2 as common. So I will get x to the power 1 by 2 minus 1. Hope so it is clear for you. So if I am using the formula for a cube plus b cube here, what I will get, beta, tell me? So sir, you will get sir x to the power 1 by 3 sir plus 1 a cube plus b cube into a square minus ab plus b square divided by the denominator will be same, beta. Okay, minus x to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 into x to the power 1 by 2 minus 1 divided by x to the power 1 by 2 into x to the power 1 by 2 minus 1. Look how smooth is the question. It get cancelled out. Just have a look. It get cancelled out. Am I correct? Yes, sir. It is so easy. Now just have a look. So what is the remaining data with us? We have x to the power 1 by 3 plus 1 minus x to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by what? X to the power 1 by 2. Am I missing something? Yes. The power 10 is missing here. That's why I thought what I am missing. Okay, beta. So I have written the data. Now let me simplify the question for you and after that you will realize that the question was easy. X to the power 1 by 3 plus 1 minus x to the power 1 by 2 by x to the power 1 by 2 minus 1 by x to the power 1 by 2 to the power what? 10. So this will get cancelled out beta. So what is the value I will get? X to the power 1 by 3 plus 1 minus 1 minus x to the power minus 1 by 2 to the power what? 10. Look beta, 1 and 1 get cancelled out. Okay, let me delete the question. Okay. Is it clear? Yes sir, this question is clear. Okay, now I think, okay, no problem. This question is clear. Now beta, what is the remaining term with us? X to the power 1 by 3 minus x to the power minus 1 by 2 to the power 10. Look how the question is simplified beta. Look, initially the question looks so big, now the question looks so easy. Okay, so we need to find the coefficient of x to the power minus 5. So for that, what we need to do? We need to find the general term. So I am applying tr plus 1 is equals to 10 cr into x to the power 1 by 3, 10 minus r into minus of x to the power minus 1 by 2. What beta? What it is going to be? R. Am I clear? Clear now? Okay beta. So just have a look. If I am applying the formula, what I will get? T r plus 1 is equals to what beta? 10 cr into x to the power 20 minus 5r upon what beta? 6. Okay. So what I did is, okay, so the coefficient of x to the power minus 5 we need to find. So we have calculated the general term. We have calculated what? The general term. Okay, so I think I have made some mistake. No problem at all. Let me do it for you. T r plus 1 is equals to 10 cr into x to the power 10 minus r by 3 minus 1 to the power r into x to the power minus r by 2. Okay, if the base is same, if I am going to add this beta, what I will get? Tr plus 1 is equals to 10 cr into x to the power 10 minus r by 3 minus r by 2 minus 1 to the power r. Okay, so for getting minus 5, this term will be equals to what? Minus 5. Because they are telling to calculate the coefficient of x to the power minus 5. So if I am comparing this value with minus 5, what I will get? 10 minus r by 3 minus r by 2 is equals to minus 5. So beta, what I will get? 20 minus 2r minus 3r equals to minus 30. So 20 minus 5r equals to minus 30. So minus 5r is equals to minus 50. So r is equals to what beta? 10. So if I am substituting the value, I will get T11 is equals to 10C10 into x to the power minus 5 into minus 1 to the power 10. So beta, what is the coefficient we have got? We have got 10C10. Look, 10 minus 1 to the power 10 will be 1. So 10C10 is the coefficient, and as we know that 10C10 is equals to how much? So the coefficient is what beta? Coefficient is going to be 10C10, and as we know that the value of 10C10 is 1. So the answer will be what beta? 1. So have a look. The answer is going to be A. Okay. Now we have one more question. Just have a look. The question is, if 27 to the power 999 is divided by 7, then the remainder is. Look beta, this is a very beautiful concept of binomial theorem. Always remember, by the help of binomial theorem, we can find the remainder. Okay, so what the question is saying? 27 to the power 999 is divided by 7. What is the remainder? Now look beta, 27 to the power 999 when divided by what? 7. We need to find remainder. Am I clear? What we need to find? We need to find the remainder. So what is the procedure I am applying? Can I write like this? 27 can be written as 28 minus 1 to the power 999 divided by what? 7. Now the question which is striking in your mind is that why you have written 28? Why you have not written any other number? So the answer is better. What is the nearest value? What is the nearby value of 27 that is divided by 7? You can say that it is 28. So that's why I have taken 28. Now my next step is going to be, can I write like this? I don't know the expansion of this. I don't know because it is going to be very long, no? Very long. Okay, and look, 28 is divided by 7. So we are always going to get the remainder as what? Minus 1. So can I write like this? Just try to get 28 lambda minus 1 upon 7. Okay, lambda may be the coefficient any number. Okay, so can I write it further? 28 lambda minus 7 plus 7 minus 1 upon 7. Okay, now you will tell me, sir, why you are doing this? So I want to change it in the multiple of 7. Okay, so what I have got, beta, what I have got? I have got 28 lambda minus 7 plus 6. Basically I want to convert this value in positive. Okay, divided by what, beta? 7. So you can see 7 common, 4 lambda minus 1 plus 6 upon 7. So we can directly say that the remainder is going to be what? 6. So when 27 to the power 999 is divided by 7, what is the remainder going to be? The remainder is going to be 6. So these are very few questions which I have solved for you. Always remember, binomial is a very easy chapter for the JEE mains as well as JEE advanced exam, and you are going to get short 4 marks if you will study little bit hard and solve the problems. The chapter is very easy, but very easy. Thank you so much. Hope so you have enjoyed the video. Thank you.